Jai Mata Di everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you MATLAB program of square wave, and in this I will discuss with you on a different duty cycle, or I will discuss with you continuous and discrete waveform. Now in this I will use a square command, subplot, axis, stem and plot. If you think that my video is very helpful for you, then press on like button, and if you want more videos on my channel, then subscribe my channel. My channel name is R for Rohit Arora Sir Classes. Now let's start on a MATLAB. First of all, write a percentage, write a program to generate square wave. Start with CLC, clear all, close all. Now go to command window and write it help square. You see that in this case square t comma duty. So take a variable, write it square t comma duty. I write it by d. Okay. You can write also direct d, the value of d. I write d is equal to 25% duty cycle. Okay. Or I write it the value of t. T is equal to 0 and step size 0.00 I will take up to 50. After that you have to plot. Okay, you have to plot. I write it subplot. In this case I take 3, 2, 1 position, 3 rows, 2 columns and 1 position. Plot is used for continuous. T comma x. Then after that, first of all see the figure. Okay, this is my figure, and in this case no values in the x-axis, y-axis and title. So x label, write it time, y label, write it amplitude, title. What is a title? Title is 25% duty cycle. Okay, it's a continuous, so write it continuous. Okay, now check the figure. This is my figure. Okay, time, amplitude and title. Now if I use a axis command, then what is the change in this axis command? First of all, x-axis 0 to 50, y-axis -2 to 2, and check out the figure. Okay, this is the change in figure. So if I want in a 50% duty cycle, what I will do? Change the value of d, take it 50, and change the position on a third position, and this case is also 50. Okay, or you can write it percentage 50% duty cycle. Okay, select that part and copy this. 75% for the case of 70% duty cycle. Now you have to change in this 75 and this is 75 and change the plot, and I will take on a 5th position. Okay, now check the figure. Okay, this is about 25%, 50% and 75% of the duty cycle. Now this is all about the continuous formation. Now what I will do after that, write percentage on a discrete. Now what I will change, I will take 0.5. okay, now this is 25 on a percent, or you can directly write on this position D. Okay, this is 25, this is about 25, and use the stem command. Okay, use the stem command, or you can write it n and change the value n. Okay, correct. You can write also. First of all, check the figure of this part. Okay, this is a discrete domain. Copy that part, paste it, $50 for a 75. Change the position also. Select it and check out. Okay, this is about 25%, 25, 50, 50%. Okay, this is all about the continuous and discrete formation. Now next is I will change the plot. Now I will write also like 3 to 1. Okay, correct. In and every cases you can write no use of comma. Okay, no use of comma. If now I will do on this part 0.001. Let's check it. Okay, what is the change after this 0.01? Okay, this one very minor distance, so it is like a basically a fill up part. If you write 0.5, then there is some distance and you can check out very easily in a discrete domain. Okay, this is all about the square wave generation. Okay, thank you so much. If you think that you want more videos, then subscribe my channel. My next video is on the topic of circular convolution. Thank you for watching this video, and Jai Mata Di.